Are you looking to improve your English listening skills? You're in the right place. On this channel, we practice English by listening to captivating stories. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, these stories are designed to help you enhance your understanding of spoken English in a fun and engaging way. Each story is carefully chosen to include everyday vocabulary, natural expressions, and clear pronunciation. You can follow along with subtitles or challenge yourself by listening without them. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. So, let's dive into today's story and start improving your English listening skills together. The story of Alina and the Little Garden. In a quiet town by the sea, there was a young girl named Alina. She was full of energy and always curious about the world around her. Every day, Alina would wake up as the first rays of sunlight spilled into her room, painting everything in a golden hue. She loved the mornings, the promise of a new day filled with endless possibilities. Alina had a special routine she followed every morning. It wasn't just about getting ready, it was about finding meaning in the little things she did. The first thing she would do was make her bed. A tidy start leads to a tidy heart, her grandmother always said, and Alina believed it. Next, she would head to the small garden outside her house. This garden was Alina's pride and joy. She had planted every flower, every herb with her own hands. The first thing she did every morning was check on them. She would water the thirsty plants, remove the pesky weeds, and gently touch the petals of the blooming flowers, whispering to them as if they could hear her. But there was one plant that Alina was particularly fond of, a tiny sunflower she had planted weeks ago. It was growing slowly, much slower than the others. Alina worried about it every day, wondering if it would ever reach the sun. "Don't give up, little one," she would say softly. One morning, as she was tending to her garden, Alina noticed something different. The tiny sunflower, which had been struggling for so long, had started to grow taller. Its stem was stronger, its leaves were wider, and it seemed to be reaching for the sky. Alina's heart swelled with pride. But just as she was admiring the sunflower, a strong wind began to blow. The tall plants swayed, but the little sunflower, still so fragile, bent dangerously. Alina's eyes widened in fear. She quickly knelt beside the sunflower, using her hands to shield it from the wind. "Stay strong, little one," she whispered. "You've come so far. Don't let go now." The wind howled around her, but Alina stayed there, protecting her sunflower until the wind finally calmed down. When the storm passed, the garden was a little messy, but Alina was relieved to see that the sunflower was still standing. It was a bit battered, but it was still there, holding on. Alina smiled, feeling a sense of accomplishment. Over the next few days, Alina continued her routine, caring for her garden with even more love than before. The sunflower, once so small and weak, grew taller and taller each day, until it was the brightest flower in the garden. One morning, as Alina stood in the garden, admiring her sunflower, she realized something important. The sunflower had taught her a valuable lesson. Sometimes, the things that take the longest to grow are the most beautiful in the end. Alina knew that her daily routine was not just about tending to the garden, but about patience, care, and never giving up, even when things seemed tough. As she looked at the sunflower, standing tall and proud, she felt a deep sense of satisfaction. From that day on, Alina approached each day with a renewed sense of purpose. She knew that life, like her garden, was full of challenges, but with patience and love, everything would bloom in its own time.